Introducing the new DCS Golf Cart Series 48V replacement lithium battery. Throw away all your heavy lead-acid batteries, replace them with one DCS battery and instantly save yourself 100 kilos. Not only are the DCS 60 amp hour 48V lithium batteries a huge saving on weight, their appealing, slim compact style will save you space under the seat. Install a suitable sun power solar panel and never plug into mains again. The higher nominal voltage makes for more efficient motor operation, higher top speed and improved service life. Ace your time around the course knowing that your powerful Australian designed battery management system, 2-hour fast charging capability and comprehensive Bluetooth app monitoring system are working seamlessly behind the scenes so you can focus on your par. And all of course backed by a 5-year warranty. Visit the DCS website for more information.